Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to look into NOYA Testnet. Every single thing you need to know about this testnet is what I'm going to show you in this video. So endeavor you stick around till the end of the video. Alright, so the moment you open up, click on the link in the description, you're going to come to this page where it will be asking you to connect your wallet. So all you just have to do is connect your wallet, then you can use either MetaMask or any Web3 wallet that you have on your computer or on your phone. So click on that and then connect wallet. Okay, so the moment you connect your wallet and you are able to log in, you are going to see this interface. First of all, I'm going to show you first thing you need to do. However, in the long run, I will show you every other thing you need to know about this testnet. First of all, the first thing you need to do is first of all go to your profile, click on your profile, and then when you come to your profile, make sure you connect your email address, connect your social accounts, your Discord, and then also your Twitter account. Alright, so after connecting these social accounts, the next thing you need to do is you go back, move out of the dashboard on your profile. Now we start interaction. Now under protocol is where we are going to interact, but before we go to protocol, we need to look at these places that say point. So these are your points. So this is where you'll be seeing your points. Now there's also a star. So these stars are points that are converted. So when you earn a point in a week, by the end of the week, it will be converted to a star. Okay. So I'll show you everything you need to know, how to earn a point and how to earn a star. So first of all, let's go to protocol. Now when you come to protocol, there are three things you can do here. First, Omnivault. Second, agent, and then last one, borrowing optimizer. So we're going to take the one after the other. So now let's start with Omnivault. Okay, so the moment you click on Omnivault, it will take you to the platform where you have to deposit some coin. Alright, so this is our Omnivault. So within this place now is where we can make some deposits. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have some coin in your wallet. So we have a couple of networks you can interact with, but I'm interacting with Base. So all I just have to do now is I need to scroll all the way and then look for the vaults I want to deposit on. So there are different vaults here. So let me look for the ones that look very good. Alright. So now let's just look at this thing and then see what we have here. So here we have Morpho USD looping. We have this. So I want to go to the one that has a very huge amount of deposits here. So this is one that I want to deposit into. So all I just have to do is just to click on it. So once you open this vault, now you're going to see this place that says deposit. So just click on deposit. Now when you come to deposit, as you can see here now, I have some USDC in my wallet. I have 70 USDC in Base, my connected wallet. So make sure you have this in your wallet before doing that. Now remember that when you're interacting with Base, you need to have some Ethereum in Base network for you to be able to do this transaction. So all I just have to do is to enter the amount. So I want to use everything for this. Yeah, I want to use everything for this. So now all I have to do now is to click on approve. So now before I click on approve, look at this place. You see, I have 5.5% yield, as well as I also have this one called points per day. The points I'll be earning per day is here, and then yeah, that's that for now. So now let me quickly go on to approve. So once I just click on approve, it's going to ask me to sign in my wallet. So here I connected my OKX. So you can actually connect any wallet of your choice. Okay. So all I just have to do now is to go straight and then sign this transaction. Okay, I have to put maximum the amount I want to approve. Amount, then hold on. Alright, so I have to click on it again. Okay, so I'll have to just confirm amount. So after confirming the amount, it says transaction submitted. Okay, so this is actually, it should switch. So let me now see what's going to happen here. So I'll just have to come to this place and click on deposit. So when I click on deposits, it's going to bring it up again. I will have to connect to base network, of course, because my wallet was on another network. So I just have to confirm it once again, and then the deposits will be credited. So once you just confirm it, you're going to see loading here. So as soon as it's deposited, you can see here it says deposit successful. All right, so your deposit was successful. Now it's time to supercharge your earnings by referring your friends to NOYA. So if you want to refer, that one is up to you, but this video is not for referral. So let me just close this page, and then I will now come to this place and I'll show you. Now after you have actually deposited, so as you can see here now, it says deposit is still pending. All right, so after just few moments, this deposit will be credited, and then we'll now proceed to the next task, which is bonding. This bonding here. All right, so while we are waiting for deposit to arrive, now let's explore the second option, which is agent. So this agent is simply where you interact with the what's it called, with the AI. So just have to click on agents, and it's going to load up the AI interface where you can ask any question and they have answers to your question. So now, before I proceed with this, you need to understand that this AI, you can actually make use of voice recognition. As you can see here now, we have voice here. So you can just activate it and then use voice recognition. Okay, let me just activate it, and then, okay, good morning. So let's see what it says. You just have to say something. It didn't actually answer me. I don't know the reason. Maybe the AI is still asleep. So let me just activate it again. Good morning. Good morning. All right. All right. So that is what you can do with this AI. So you can say, so now this is not just all. It's just one of the things you can do. Now let me tell you some other thing you can do with this AI. You can use this AI to make swaps, to do any transaction on this platform. So now before you can use this AI to make transaction, you have to make a deposit. This is different from the one you made, deposit you made before. So I already made a deposit here in the past. So you just have to click on deposit, and it will ask you, so if you want to send directly from your wallet, select transfer from wallet. So it supports base network. All right, so whenever you have some Ethereum in base, so what I did was I deposited some Ethereum on base, then I now use it to swap. Now if you want to just copy your wallet address, you can just click on receive fund, and when you click on receive fund, this is your wallet address. You just copy your wallet address and send any amount of token you want to use. So I already have some deposit here, so I'll just proceed to tell AI what I want to do. So let me just use voice recognition and then find out what I can do with this AI. All right, so what is my wallet balance on base network? On base network, not business network, base. Since this what is it called? This AI is not even understanding what I'm saying. What is my wallet balance on base network? So let's wait for it. It's thinking. Okay, so let me just quickly use my this thing. I don't know what's wrong with it. So probably the thing is not getting what I'm saying. But if you're making a transaction, please try to make use of the what's it called? Just chat. So I'll just say, what are my assets on base network? So I just want to know how much I have on base network. Okay, so let's see what's going to say. All right, so as you can see here now, here is the detail of my asset. So I have some coins here, basically in Ethereum, as you can see here. So all I just have to do now is I want to swap some Ethereum to USDC. So all I just have to do is to tell AI to swap. Let me just say 0.003 ETH to USDC on base. All right. So make sure you specify the amount you are swapping, and then make sure you specify the pairs you are swapping, and then make sure you specify the network you are swapping on. If you fail to do this, it might give you error. Okay. So all you just have to do now is to tell it what to do and get the job done. All right. Okay. So here comes the prompt. It says, okay, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to get 11 USDC, and then it asks the question, do you want to execute the swap? All I just have to say is yes, and then voila, the swap will be executed. So once the swap is executed, I'm also going to show you how to send the coin to your wallet, just in case you need the funds. So everything I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so you can now see that the transaction has actually been completed. All right, the transaction has actually been completed. So now all I want to do now is I want to show you how to send the coin to your wallet address. But before I do that, let's go back and then check out what we have before. So when you come to this place under deposits, you can see now that the coin I deposited is now appearing. Okay, so my deposit is here now, and every day I'll be earning 800 and something points daily. Okay, now this point is actually locked. So it says I have to bond to unlock these points. So this is Omnivault, and I've actually deposited into the vault. Now the next thing I need to do now is let's look at the very last thing here, which is borrowing optimizer. Am I right? Yes. Let's see how it works. So just click on borrowing optimizer and let's see what's going to be. Alright, so as you can see here now it says coming soon. So it seems these features are not yet live. So that very borrowing optimizer feature is still coming. So let's go back. Now I want to bond. Bond is like locking it. So I want to lock up this 70 this thing that I deposited into this place. Okay, so now when I go back to the vault I deposited into, when I come back to the vault, you're going to see that we have okay, it's deposited. So if I want to withdraw these funds out to my wallet, once I click on withdraw, it's back to my wallet. There's no waste of time. So what I want to do instead is I want to bond it, which is locking it up for a period of time. So I have here, it says if I can lock it for 3 months, I will have 1.2 multiplier. If I can lock it for 6 months, I can have this multiplier, and then so on and so forth. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is first of all I want to lock everything 100%. Yes. So by locking my 100%, I'll be earning, hold on. So by locking it 100%, I'll be earning, let's see what we have here. I'll be earning around 1 point something K points daily. Alright. So if I decide to lock it for 6 months, I'll be earning 1.1 thousand points daily. And if I decide to lock it for 1 year, why will I lock it for 1 year? I can't do that for 1 year. So I'm just going to lock it for 6 months. Yep. So I'll just have to lock it for 6 months. I'm not going beyond that. So I'll not have to click on approve. So once I click on approve, it's going to ask me to sign in my wallet. Okay. So it's not compulsory you lock for 6 months. It's not even compulsory you lock. Just know that as long as you have some, what's it called? As long as you have some, what's it called again? Some tokens deposited into the vault, you'll be earning some points daily. Okay. Right. So confirm the amount. Confirm the amount. The exact amount you want to use. So, and then it says approve successfully. So now I can now go on to bond. Please, so make sure you actually want to lock it up before you do this. So as I'm locking it now, this should be unlocked around December. So I'll just have to click on it and then log it up. So confirm. and then voila. So it says bond successful. All right, so now as you can see here, now I have actually bonded this amount and then also this amount. All right, so this is exactly how to bond. So now my point has actually been unlocked, as you can see here now. So every week this point will be converted to stars. Okay, so this is how to bond. Now let me quickly go show you how to send out the funds you deposited under AI agent under this place. I'll just have to show you how to use AI to send out funds. Now all you just have to do is to make sure you copy the wallet address you want to send the funds to. Okay, just go and copy the wallet address you want to send the funds to. Okay, so now that I've copied my wallet address, I'll just have to tell it. Okay, I want to send just 5 USDC worth of USDC from Base Network to my wallet. So I'll now say send 5 USDC to, I'll paste the wallet address. Please don't type it, paste it. Then you give a gap on Base Network. Alright, so once I just do that, I will send. Now I'm going to show you evidence that okay, this wallet address is my wallet address. So when the transaction is done, I will know. It says confirm yes. Let's see. So it says voila, successfully sent. So you can copy this hashtag to confirm, or you can just go to your wallet and then confirm if your 5 USDC is there. So I sent it to my OKX wallet. So let me just open this up and then confirm if the asset I sent is there. Oh, I have to switch from, I have to change this network. So I have to change this network. So it was on, I sent on base. So I have to make sure that it's on base. So select your base. So hold on. So you can see now that I have some tokens on base already. So you can see now that the 5 USDC that I receive has actually entered. So that is how to confirm it. So this is how to do transactions on NOYA network. I bet you this airdrop is something that is going to be very, very massive. So this is everything you need to know, and I don't think there's anything I'm forgetting. So okay, let's quickly go back to see if there's any other thing we are forgetting. I really doubt, but I have to check. So okay, let's check out this space race. When you check space race, you are going to find out that all you just have to see here now is you will see different levels you'll be unlocking all your way. You move all your way, move all your way, move all your way to the top, so on and so forth. More levels are coming soon. So the more star you earn, the more your, what is it called? The more star you earn, the more your level, the higher your level. Okay, so this is actually what it is. So weekly, you earn some points weekly, and these points will be converted to stars. All right, so you can actually then, while you start earning, you start seeing your ranks. So now the next thing you need to see here now, okay, this is actually where you have done this, we have bonded. What else have we not done? Okay, also therefore Kaito Yappers also have some. So while you are yapping on Kaito, so make sure you connect this Twitter account you are using on your or to yap on Kaito. So connect this Twitter account and then you proceed. Alright. So now we have daily check-in here too. Let's not forget. So you just have to click on it and then you check in every single day. So the more you check in, the more consistent your check-in is, the more points you'll be earning. Alright. So you just have to sign this transaction and then you check in. So confirm, and then after it says checked in. So I earned 10 points today for checking in today. So as time goes on, I'll be earning more points. So this is actually everything. I've actually covered every single thing you need to know about NOYA Testnet in this video. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much and do have a nice day.